Today we're going to be looking at the new Hummer H1 from Trasped, model HG-P415. Some nice packaging so far. Ooh. Wow. Impressive. What? What now? Wow. Oh man. These things are pretty much ready to run.
That was loud. Minus the upgrade kit.
So there won't be too much building going on.
Oh man, there's a battery.
Some decals.
How did we get in there? Is it just...
Wow, that thing
is packaged so good. Wow.
This thing could probably survive a two-story fall out of a building, except it is so heavy, I think. It's so heavy that there's nowhere good to grab on the body that will just let
Gravity do the work.
That is
By far the best packaging I've ever seen, probably on anything I've ever bought.
Henguan model Trasped HG. 2 thumbs up so far. Okay, some kind of mini USB. Don't know if I need that. Don't eat garbage. Okay, so there is some building.
Looks like some mirrors, license plate, some other small little parts.
Set those aside. These
I'm excited for. It comes with 3 metric screwdrivers, a 2.5, a 2.0, and a 1.5. And these actually look like they're pretty good quality.
some foam made in China. Wow.
you actually have to pull up on the door handle to get the door to open. Wow, quality hinges. Door feels like really high quality just opening it. Wow. Compared to most models in RC cars, quality seems pretty good so far. That's what was falling out of there. I don't know what that is.
Now this is my favorite part, or one of them anyway, of any new rig. Feeling the suspension, seeing what it does. You can see it's a little slow on the rebound. Luckily it comes with some pretty nice looking shocks that you can adjust and tighten up, which is what I'm going to do. If I had an outro, I would insert it now.
Make them. Now, Trasped does not have tan or silver into production. Hopefully we can change that.